Hey everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today I'll be working on my Reborn version of Minstowe Road. Today I'll be working on all the buildings and everything like that. And yeah, I've pretty much drawn them all out. Here we have the main station, which is based off the one at Hayling Garden because it's a rather nice small station building, so I figured I'd just design it roughly off that. I've got my goods shed, which is a platform based goods shed, so it's not going to be one which arches over the track, so that's just going to sit beside it. This long piece up here, this is going to be the canopy, which goes across pretty much the entire, well, most of the length of the actual platform. And here's a little bit which goes just outside the station building. And if we turn this upside down, this is for the industrial siding, which I thought got on the layout as well. So I've got some warehouses here and a basically like a little office block. It's only meant to be a rough generic industrial thing because I've not actually really decided what it is. I may just leave it as a generic industrial bit, but I may actually name it something else. And that's pretty much it for this build. Since it's only a small layout, I haven't actually got all that many buildings. I'm a little bit disappointed considering what I'm like with Gosport. Hopefully I have got enough windows, as I'm quite used to not having enough windows, so I may not have all them in place. Anyway, most of it is going to be, let me just get the bits here. I've got my thinner card here. Most of it is going to be covered in brick, so I've got 2 sheets of brick. This is for the roofing. Just get that out of the way. I'm going to be using slate tile roofing, so I'll pop that out of the way as well. I have got some corrugated asbestos as well, and that light's playing up again. So that's just to do a few features here and there, and also give a alternative roof material. And this is for the canopy because I'm not entirely sure what material it's made out of, so I'm just, that light really needs to be replaced. But this is just to add some sort of texture to the top, just to make it a little bit more different. So I'm not entirely sure what the material is made for. I think it's concrete, and this works as a light concrete anyway. It's actually stucco, or whatever that word is down here. I can never pronounce things, so yes. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. So first things first is I'm going to cut it out and glue it to all of that lot. So yeah, that'll probably take me, well, most of today, and then I'll start working on it properly tomorrow. And yeah, the thinner cards just so I can start doing all the detailing work and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to stop rabbiting on and actually get on with it. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit and hope you enjoy. So that's it. Right, here we are with all the buildings sorted out. None of them are glued down because I do want to add some detail on the inside. There may be some lighting. That one's been there for a while, so nothing new there. I have got the canopy glued down at least, because the only thing I'm going to add to that is the little side skirt things, which I could probably do like that. However, I think it's probably a bit high, so I'll probably carefully break that off and lower it to save some buildings here. I'm not entirely sure what this bit is. I'm assuming it's some sort of office, but it was on Hailing Island. It's on Hailing Island, so I decided to add that as well. And here's a small goods shed. Looks alright to me. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. And I think it looks rather nice. And so I don't think I'll add any lighting to this, because that'll be too difficult, and unless I want to put some sort of very thin wires underneath out of sight, which I could probably do, but nah, I'll leave it for now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope to see you again next time. I think the next video is, can't remember what the next one is, probably detailing or weathering, I don't remember anymore. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again next time. So take care now, and yeah, I'll see you again next time. Bye bye now.